Hello, welcome to the Marginal Show, the cybersecurity show. Do not install any Windows operating system without doing the best practices that I will discuss in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So clean, right? To clean Windows 11 or any, or most operating systems in Windows, follow these steps, right? Use the disk cleanup, right? Type disk cleanup in the taskbar search box and select disk cleanup from the results. Choose the drive you want to clean and click OK. Select the file types you want to delete under files to delete. And then, for a more thorough cleaning, click clean up system files to remove additional items. Utilize the cleanup recommendations feature, right? You can go to start, settings, system, storage, cleanup recommendations, right? Click on advanced options to see a list of items you can clean up, including temporary files, the recycle bin, Windows error reports, and more. And then manually uninstall pre-installed apps, right? Remove unnecessary pre-installed apps and app links one by one. For apps without an uninstall option, use PowerShell to remove them, okay? You can also use Windows Package Manager, right? The Wing It. Please take a moment right now to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Hit that subscribe button and the like button right now. You can install and update programs using Wing It or Chocolatey for better management, right? Adjust privacy settings, go through all settings and disable data collection features you are uncomfortable with, right? You can also consider third-party tools. Tools like Uncleaner can help remove temporary and obsolete log files that, built-in utilities might miss. And you can remember to be cautious when deleting files and avoid using untrusted debloat or optimization scripts, as they may cause issues with system functionality. It's also good practice to create a backup before making significant changes to your system, because there are, risk involved. You can make a change and then you find yourself like, I don't want to do this. How can I go back? You can't go back because you made that change. You made that change, right? You made that change. You know what I'm saying? So also consider, some risk, like, you can get, system instability, right? Poor written or overly aggressive cleaning scripts may remove important system files or registry entries. And there's also security vulnerabilities, right? Running unsigned or untrusted scripts can potentially introduce malware or create security vulnerabilities. There's also unintended consequences, right? Scripts might, remove files or settings that certain applications depend on, causing those programs to malfunction, okay? So that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Once again, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.